Is Ms. Chowdhury saying that the ruling party put Mr. Raja behind bars?
Hello?
You can repeat that question for Ms. Chowdhury directly.
Yes, my question is Ms. Chowdhury saying that the ruling party put Mr. Raja behind bars, or was it the CBI independent organization's investigation monitored by the Supreme Court which did so?
So, aren't they the other arms and instruments of democracy? Aren't they part of an act of governance?
First of all, just
Let him respond.
The government put Mr. Raja behind bars as though it was a great achievement. I'm afraid I must protest.
No, I never said it's an achievement. But neither is it something that you can laugh at. Neither is it something that you should discredit us for. So what? We are damned if we do and damned if we don't.
You're damned if you don't, ma'am.
That's so much cynicism. It's such a pity that we are also cynical about things.
The fact
First of all, I just want to say one thing. If the government
have awakened everybody to the fact that whether we like it or not, there has to be a movement by the people, and I'm very glad by the youth of this country.
Yes, of course, that's what I've been saying.
Recognize, and you said earlier, madam, that you cannot have deadlines. But I'm surprised to see that you're saying this when the government itself has now moved with great speed to try to bring in deadlines, even assuring that the bill will be before Parliament in the monsoon session. You are saying deadlines can't be imposed. But at the same time,
what I'm saying, we are damned if we do and damned if we don't.
Has today acceded to various deadlines without protest.
Okay, Abhay Aima.
You're happy?
Abhay Aima.
I'm glad you're happy.
Ms. Chowdhury, it's
if we say that we will do it, we've come forward, we've said we'll do A, B, and C and D. Now we want a constructive reply and a response. We want that.
Ms. Chowdhury.
Should we say that we'll give you a deadline that in the next 3 hours if you don't respond this dialogue is off?
No, Ms. Chowdhury.
Should we say that?
No, Ms. Chowdhury.
Arnav,
Ms. Chowdhury.
don't do this. No, Arnav.
What?
Don't do this peddling this way and that way. I'm telling you. If you are talking about deadlines, we can also say, we are not saying that. We've said yes, we will do A, B and C and D. We are waiting an answer. Can we come forward now and say, nahi bhai, hum bhi bol rahe hain deadline. You give us a reply within the next 1 hour. It doesn't work that way.
A man's life is at stake.
That is what I'm trying to say at a broader perspective.
The lives of people are at
stake.
In
a grander...
Okay, Pritish.
I mean, people's lives are at stake. There's a man, 72-year-old man on a hunger strike, on a fast, and you say there should be no deadline. You will decide when you want to decide.
Did I say that?
That's what you're saying.
Replay the whole conversation. Please rewind and replay the entire conversation so that the whole country can see it.
I'm amazed.
Have I said that? Have I said there will be no deadline and that we will decide when we want to respond? This is amazing.
When you want to respond.
Force words into our mouth and say because you're politicians, we will say what we want. Doesn't work like that.
Not only because you're a politician, but because you're in power.
Like it's unfortunate. You're all intelligent people sitting there. Be fair is what.
A clear line has been drawn.
Let's not play with words. Let's not play with words.
Who's playing with words? You're the guys who are playing with words.
No
it's a clear line has been drawn. It's the people versus the state.
Of deadlines.
I'm asking you only one question. Suppose we say now that no, there has to be a deadline. Will you agree? That we have said this and so now we want to respond in the next 1 hour.
No. Okay, Nawaz.
I'm saying in the larger picture, when we are trying to work collectively and when we are going towards a cohesive future, when it's inclusive, then we don't threaten each other.
No, it's not threatening.
We talk.
It's not.
We have a dialogue.
No, it's not
demanding.
And we try
it's
to
demanding our
finish things.
We have the right to put a deadline to our elected representatives. They do not have the same right when it comes to us. They cannot tell the electorate, nahi, aise hi hoga. We can tell you, we disagree with you, we disagree with the way you're conducting things. Please conduct it this way.
I'm sorry, I'm not specific.
I don't see where the confusion is. It is so specific. We want the notified committee which is going to be made in with a certain amount of people from the government, from civil society. Who these people from civil society, what position they've been holding also has been put in place.
Please
and yet,
update them on
the
what the
demands have been so clear.
Please update what the government has said.
And that's what you're saying.
No, Ms. Chowdhury. I just want to say two things here tonight. One thing is that, maybe those, the ability to set, demands or decide timelines is lost by those who keep it in abeyance for 43 years. That's just a thought, and that thought has infected a lot of people. A second point is, Ms. Chaudhary, that
replay. We are talking of the present context.
Ms. Chaudhary,
we are talking of now.
Ms. Chaudhary, tonight I'm telling you.
You're going to put in your
No, Ms. Chaudhary.
You should allow people to talk.
Ms. Chaudhary, all I'm saying, and you are fully aware, and you will say that, Arnab, you are right. The fact is, what the government was saying 4 days back.
Did you insist?
And allow me to complete. What the government was saying 4 days back, your government, India's government was saying 4 days back, and tonight,
our government.
Okay, so fine. You win in semantics. What our government was saying 4 days back and tonight, this 360-degree turn. You've been to the other side of the world and back. There is what you've agreed to tonight, if you'd agreed to 4 days back, there would have never been this movement.
Exactly.
It's the rigidity which has perhaps churned people even more.
No, I'm sorry. We had no rigidity wanting to break a movement.
Deadlines obviously arise only because there have been so many delays. Why is there a deadlines today? Why are people saying let's have a time-bound issue? It's because it's dragged on and on and on.
Yeah.
We can't, it's only that is the cause of these deadlines being given, time being now of the essence.
Okay. Now I just want to go across to what Anna Hazare says once again. I want to thank everyone. I don't think we can come to a complete agreement. But the fact is tonight, Pritish Nandi, will please stay on with us. Fact is tonight, we have achieved much, we have moved far. There's no anti-politician sentiment. The fact is, it's a movement against corruption. It's not a movement against politicians.
Not at all.
It's a movement against corruption. Simple.